Krishna Caitanya Prabhu daya kana more, tumi bina ke dayalu jagata majhare. This is a song composed by Narottam Das Thakur. He is praying Lord Chaitanya that, my dear Lord, please be merciful upon me, because who can be more merciful than your Lordship within these three worlds? Actually, this is the fact. Not only Narottam Das Thakur, but also Rupa Goswami, he also prayed for Lord Chaitanya when both of them met at Prayag, Allahabad. And the first meeting of Lord Chaitanya and Rupa Goswami at Prayag. At that time, Srila Rupa Goswami also said, my dear Lord, you are the most munificent of all incarnations, because you are distributing love of Krishna, Krishna Consciousness. In other words, when Krishna was personally present, he simply asked us to surrender, but he did not distribute himself so easily. He made condition that first of all you surrender. But here, in this incarnation, Lord Chaitanya, although he is Krishna himself, he makes no condition. He simply distributes, take love of Krishna. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya is approved as the most munificent incarnation. And Narottam Das Thakur says that, please be merciful upon me. You are so magnanimous because you have seen the fallen souls of this age and you are very much compassionate upon them. But you should know also that I am the most fallen. Nobody is greater fallen than me. Patita pavana hetu tava avatar. Your incarnation is just to reclaim the conditioned souls, fallen souls. But I assure you that you will not find a greater fallen than me. Therefore, my claim is first. Then he prays to Lord Nityananda. He says, Aha Prabhu Nityananda, Premananda Sukhi. My dear Lord Nityananda, you are always joyful in spiritual bliss, and you appear always very happy. So, I have come to you because I am most unhappy. See, if you kindly put your glance over me, then I may also become happy. Then he prays to Advaita Prabhu. Prabhu Sitapati, Advaita Gosai. Advaita Prabhu's wife's name was Sita. Therefore he is sometimes addressed as Sitapati. So, my dear Advaita Prabhu, the husband of Sita, please you also be kind upon me, because if you become kind upon me, then naturally Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda also will be kind upon me. The reason is that actually Advaita Prabhu invited Lord Chaitanya to come down. When Advaita Prabhu saw the fallen souls, they are all engaged simply in sense gratificatory processes. Without understanding Krishna consciousness, he felt very much compassionate upon the fallen souls, and he also felt himself as incapable of claiming all these fallen souls. He therefore prayed to Lord Krishna that you come yourself. Without your personal presence, it is not possible to deliver these fallen souls. So by his invitation, Lord Chaitanya appeared. Naturally, Narottam Das Thakur prays Advaita Prabhu that if you be kind upon me, naturally Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda also will be kind upon me. Then he prays to the Goswamis, Haha Swarup Sanatana Rupa Raghuna. My dear Goswami Prabhu's Swarup Damodar was personal secretary of Lord Chaitanya. He was always keeping with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and whatever he wanted, immediately arranged for that. Two personal attendants, Swarup Damodar and Govinda, they are always constantly with Lord Chaitanya. So, Narottam Das Thakur also praying Swarup Damodar. And then the Goswamis, the next disciple of Lord Chaitanya were the 6 Goswamis. Sri Rup, Sri Sanatan, Sri Bhatta, Raghunath, Sri Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Jiva Goswami, and Raghunath Das Goswami. These 6 Goswamis were directly instructed by Lord Chaitanya for spreading this movement of Krishna consciousness. Narottam Das Thakur is praying also their mercy. And after these 6 Goswamis, the next Acharya was Srinivas Acharya. So he is also praying Srinivas Acharya. Actually, Narottam Das Thakur was in the disciplic succession after Srinivas Acharya, or almost he was contemporary. And his personal friend was Ramchandra Chakravarti. So he is praying that I always desire the company of Ramchandra, devotee's company. The whole process is that we should always be praying mercy of the superior acharyas, and we should keep company with pure devotee. Then it will be easier for us to advance in Krishna consciousness, to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya and Lord Krishna. This is the sum and substance of this song, sung by Narottam Das Thakur.